You've probably heard it said that money can be a little elusive. It feels like no matter how hard you try, there's always a gap between where you are and where you want to be financially. But what if I told you that your money could multiply before the end of this week? What if, in the next few days, you could begin to attract wealth in ways you never imagined? I know it sounds a bit unbelievable, even a little scary. But that's the power of the universe and how the law of attraction works, and you truly align your mind and energy with abundance. The idea of wealth flowing toward you might feel a little out of reach right now, but the truth is, the universe is always ready to deliver, if you allow it. You see, everything around you is energy. Every thought you think, every belief you hold, creates a frequency. The universe responds to that frequency by sending you experiences and opportunities that match it. So if you believe that money is scarce, that it's hard to come by, that's exactly what you'll experience. But if you shift your mindset, if you start expecting wealth to come to you, everything begins to change. Start today by changing the way you look at money. Money is not something to be afraid of. It's a tool. It's a symbol of your ability to create, to expand, and to experience life fully. When you change your relationship with money, it will begin to show up in unexpected ways. One of the most powerful ways to change your financial reality is to focus on gratitude. It might sound simple, but it's incredibly effective. When you begin each day with a grateful heart, focusing on all the good you already have, no matter how small, you shift your vibration. The universe takes note of your gratitude, and soon, more things to be grateful for will begin to come your way. Think about it, if you constantly focus on what's missing or what's lacking, that's what you'll get more of. But when you focus on abundance, on what you already have, you create an energetic space for more wealth to flow in. And when that happens, you might be shocked at how quickly things can change. Another key element to attracting wealth is the power of your belief. What do you truly believe about money? Do you believe that it's hard to come by, or do you believe that it's easy to attract? Belief is everything. When you believe that money will come to you, that it's already on its way, you align yourself with that energy. You make space for it in your life. And when you do that, opportunities, ideas, and people will begin to show up to support you in ways you can't even begin to imagine. Now, let's talk about something that might feel a little uncomfortable but is so powerful: fear. Many people are afraid of wealth. They believe that it will change them, or that they won't be able to handle it. They fear that they won't know what to do with it, or that it will bring problems. But the truth is, money doesn't change who you are, it amplifies what's already within you. If you're a kind, generous person, you'll be able to do more good with your wealth. If you have a heart for helping others, your financial abundance will give you more resources to make a difference in the world. In order to truly allow wealth to come to you, you have to trust that it's safe to receive it. It's easy to push it away, especially if you've been taught to think that money is hard to come by or that there's only so much to go around. But that's not the truth. There is an infinite abundance in this universe, and it's all available to you. The only thing holding you back is your own beliefs. Think about this: if someone handed you a large sum of money right now, would you be able to accept it with open arms? Or would you feel anxious, scared, or undeserving? This is where many people get stuck. They believe they don't deserve abundance, so they unconsciously push it away. But once you shift that mindset and truly feel worthy of receiving wealth, you'll begin to see it flow into your life in surprising ways. The key to unlocking the floodgates of abundance is in your mindset. You don't have to struggle, you don't have to hustle endlessly to make ends meet. What you need is a shift in consciousness. Instead of focusing on lack, focus on abundance. Instead of thinking, I don't have enough, think, I have more than enough. This simple shift can create a ripple effect that transforms your financial situation. Another powerful tool you can use is visualization. Take a moment each day to visualize the life you want to create. See yourself living in abundance. See yourself surrounded by wealth, opportunities, and the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Picture it clearly in your mind, as if it's already happening. Feel the emotions that come with it, how happy, secure, and empowered you feel. The more vivid and emotional your visualization, the more real it becomes. Visualization is not just about seeing the money, but about feeling the energy of wealth. Money is an energy, and when you align yourself with that energy, you attract it into your life. It's like a magnet. The stronger your emotional connection to your vision, the faster that wealth will come to you. Now, let's talk about action. While it's important to focus on your mindset and beliefs, it's also crucial to take inspired action. This doesn't mean forcing yourself into doing things that feel uncomfortable or stressful, but it does mean being open to opportunities that come your way. When you get an idea, or when you feel drawn to take a certain step, take it. Trust that the universe is guiding you toward your financial goals. Don't wait for everything to feel perfect before taking action. Perfection is a myth. The key is to move forward, even if it's just one small step at a time. As you do, you'll build momentum and begin to see the results of your actions. Trust yourself, and trust the process. Wealth is not something that happens overnight, but with consistent, aligned action, you'll start to see amazing results. If you want to multiply your money before the end of this week, it starts with taking the limits off your thinking. The world is filled with abundance, and it's available to you. The question is, are you willing to believe that it can come to you now? Are you willing to let go of old fears and beliefs that have been holding you back? The answer is simple, yes. Yes, you can have the wealth you desire. Yes, you can attract abundance into your life. And yes, it can happen sooner than you think. I encourage you to begin right now. Start by releasing any fears or doubts you have around money. Affirm to yourself that wealth is on its way, and that it will multiply before the end of this week. Trust in the power of your mind, and trust in the limitless abundance that is always available to you. When you make this shift, you'll be amazed at how quickly your financial reality begins to transform. Money is not just something that you need to chase, it's something that is already here, waiting for you to claim it. The universe is just waiting for you to open your arms and allow it to flow. You don't have to wait for the perfect conditions to start seeing results. Often, it's the smallest shift in your thinking that creates the biggest change. By acknowledging that wealth is available to you right now, you align your energy with the opportunities that are already present. Don't overcomplicate it. Sometimes, it's simply about allowing yourself to receive what has always been there for you. One thing you might want to consider is the power of letting go. When you stop obsessing over how money will come, or when it will come, you free yourself to receive it. Instead of stressing about the details, focus on the feeling of abundance. When you let go of control, you allow the universe to step in and deliver what you need in ways that you couldn't have planned. Take a moment to trust the process. You might not have all the answers right now, and that's okay. Just trust that things are working behind the scenes. Your job is to remain open and receptive. Trust that everything is unfolding in perfect timing. If you let go of the need to have everything figured out, you'll find that things start aligning for you in the most unexpected and magical ways. So, go ahead and take that first step. Believe in your ability to attract wealth. Know that it's already on its way to you. And get ready for the abundance that's about to enter your life in ways you never thought possible. Are you ready to let money multiply for you? The choice is yours, and it starts right now.